All right, you just pled guilty to a sex crime, and now you have to register. But you don't want to have to register as sex offenders. Is there any way that you can plead guilty to a registrable offense and not ultimately have to register as a sex offender? All right, guys, this is Lee Berlin, Oklahoma's only attorney that dedicates himself exclusively to defending individuals charged with sex crimes and domestic assault and battery. And really, this is a question that we get quite a lot. And we have gone above and beyond now to educate our clients about what goes into Sex Offender Registration Act. Now, we've been doing this for years, okay? And the burdens that are being placed on sex offenders are so great and so onerous that we feel that we need to over-educate, over-inform our clients before they take a plea deal to a registrable offense, because it so markedly changes the life that you will live. And to the one, they all want to know, is there some way that I can plead to this offense and not have to register? And the answer is no. If the charge is identified as one that requires registration under the Sex Offender Registration Act, then you will in fact have to register if you plea or are found guilty to that offense. Well, I'm charged with a registrable offense, and I'm willing to take a plea, but I just don't want to register. What options are there available to me? Well, if you're willing to take a plea and you don't want to register, well, quite frankly, the only option that is available to you that results in a plea and no registration is if the prosecution and the defense agree to reduce the charge down from one that requires registration to one that does not require registration. Okay. And so the fight in the negotiations may very well, and in most cases, take place over registration. It is not uncommon for my clients to say, hey, Lee, you've negotiated great terms. The only issue that I have in this is the registration requirement. Well, no shit. Because most of those, a lot of those, require lifetime registration as a sex offender. And nobody wants to be put under that. Okay? Even if you do just level 1, which is a 15-year requirement, they don't want to do that because the punishment associated with that registration far exceeds the actual number of years that you're going to be doing on probation. It is very abusive, to say the least. So, can you? Not if the charge you're going to plead to is a registrable offense. You're going to have to register. The only way out on that, if you're going to enter a plea, is to have it reduced down from something that doesn't require registration. All right, guys, this is Lee. Go to the next one.